This video will show you how to make a training directory so that you can use it easily. So you start from the local directory where you have the E4Soft programs, and from there you say right click and then you say copy and then you say paste. It will copy the directory with all the programs. The second step is to rename that directory so that you know that it's the directory of the training. So we will let this go to the end. So I right click and I say rename, and then I will say here training. And then inside of this directory, we will find Top Fitness. If you have the extension, it will be topfitness.ini. I double click on it. And then in that file, in place of having BD production, I can rename production to training, or I can put it in comment. And then I delete this one so that I have the BD equal training. You doesn't need the other one. If you have this one, it's enough. It's good. You say Control S or you say File Save. And then when you open the software, whatever you wanted to use, like the POS, if I give my code, I will be in the training database that you can see here. That is how you can see on which database you are. And you see when it's training, it's blue. If I go back, and now I go back to my program, that is a production. If I go to the E4POS, I can see here now it's in production. So that is how you can see and how easy it is to have two different directories so that you doesn't make any mistakes to connect to production or training.